In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a smooth and professional bounce text animation in After Effects without using any expression. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. Okay, so what you need to do is first open After Effects. Now select the type tool from the toolbar and type your text on the screen. Once you have added your text, adjust the font, size and style according to your preference from the character panel. Now open the text layer by clicking on the small arrow next to it. Click on Animate and choose Position. Then click on Add, go to Property and add Scale. Repeat the same step and add Opacity as well. Next we will set the starting values for our animation. For Position, increase the second value to move the text downwards. The text value depends on your font size. For example, if your font size is around 200, you can set the position value to 200 as well. Now set a scale to 0% so the text starts from nothing. And set opacity to 0% so it's completely invisible at beginning. After that, open Range Selector 1 and find the offset property. Click on the stopwatch to create a keyframe. At the beginning of the timeline, set the offset value to -100. Now we will move forward about 1 second and change the offset value to 100%. This will animate the text from start to finish. Now scroll down to the advanced section, change the shape option to ramp up. Then set both ease high and ease low to 50%. This will make the animation look smoother and more natural. Next, select Animator 1 and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. This will create Animator 2. Open Animator 2. Now go to the Range Selector and move both keyframes 10 frames forward. This delay will help create the bounce effect. Now let's modify the Animator 2 values. Change the position value to a negative number. If Animator 1 was set to 200, then use -100 for it. For scale, increase it to around 150%. Then delete the opacity property because we don't need it for the bounce. Finally, enable motion blur for the text layer and enable motion blur from the timeline panel. This small step makes the animation look much smoother and more professional. And that's it. You now have a clean, smooth bounce text animation without using any expressions. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.